going to do a quick product demonstration to test the strength of this here knight's armor. You ready? Can it survive a sword? Can it survive a lance? How about a fire-breathing dragon? Okay, so maybe this suit's not indestructible. But knight armor produced in the Renaissance was incredibly sturdy. That's thanks to armor smiths, who developed these forms over hundreds of years. It all came down to design, a process of dreaming up new ideas, testing them, and making them better. In this activity, you'll have the chance to design your own miniature armor. You'll need cardboard, scissors, pencils, paper fasteners, a hole puncher, tinfoil, and a black marker. The key first step is to make a plan for your armor. You can take inspiration from all sorts of historic examples. After you've perfected your design, draw outlines of each armor piece on cardboard: the torso, helmet, each arm, and 2 pieces for each leg. Cut the pieces out and wrap them in tinfoil. Punch a hole where each of the body parts will meet each other. Use paper fasteners to lock them in place. Next, decorate your knight's armor with a black marker. You can even try making a sword for your knight. Ta-da! This suit of armor is sure to withstand any foe.